Hi friends, in this video we will going to know latest wooden finish wardrobe design ideas and what will price for making this kind of wardrobes. So friends, if you like our videos, then please subscribe to our channel, like and share this video. So thank you for watching this video. So let's begin the video. Wooden finish wardrobes are essential piece of furniture in modern homes. It's offer a blend of style, functionality and durability. These wardrobes comes in variety of designs and finishes, making them versatile enough to complement different types of home decors, from classic to contemporary. Wooden finishing brings sense of warmth and sophistication and natural beauty to any room. They can enhance the overall decor and elevate the ambience of your bedrooms or living space. And wooden finishing wardrobes. These wardrobes finish are typically made from strong materials like plywood, MDF, or engineered wood, ensuring that they are last for many years with minimal wear and tear. Solid wood finishes such as teak or sesame, it's are even more durable and long lasting. And wooden finishes wardrobes are available in wide ranges of designs to fit various from sizes and requirements, from classic and hing doors to space saving sliding doors and modular units and custom built options. There is designs for every need. When looking for wooden finish wardrobes in India, the prices can vary greatly depending on the design, materials and brands. And here is breakdown of typical design options and approximate price ranges from wooden finishes wardrobes. The first one is the basic wooden finish wardrobe. This is simple, often it's laminate or veneer finish. It might have sliding or hing doors with classic and basic storage features. This price ranges the 10,000 to 25,000. Materials are MDF and practical board and plywood with laminate or veneer finishes. And another one is the modern modular wooden wardrobe. This sleek and customizable units with modern finishes and features like internal drawers, shelves, and hanging rods. This price range is the starting from 25,000 to 50,000. Materials used for MDF, plywood with wood, veneer, or laminate finishes. Options for premium materials like engineered wood or solid wood. And another one is the luxury solid wood wardrobes. Its high-end designs with intricate carvings, polished wood, and high-quality construction usually comes with mix of open shelves and drawers, sometimes with glass or mirror accents. This price ranges 50,000 to 1 lakh. These materials, solid wood like teak, sesame or mango wood, this finishes with polish or lacquer. And another one is the walk-in wooden finish wardrobes. It's large and spacious with customizable section for clothing, shoes and accessories, etc. These wardrobes often have high-end finishes and built-in lighting. The price range is 1 lakh to 3 lakh or plus. Solid wood or engineered wood with veneer laminates or lacquer finishes. And modular wardrobe with sliding doors with wooden finishes. These modern sliding door wardrobes with wood finishes is designed to maximize the space while offering easy access. The price range is 30,000 to 70,000. Materials MDF plywood with laminates, veneers or melamine finish. And some popular brands in India for making wardrobes. The famous of these Kit Ply, Century Ply and Green Ply. These are the popular brands of plywood. And additional cost to consider: some century plywood cost is the 18 mm, 148 rupees or 150 rupees per square foot. 12 mm is the 125 rupees and or 130 rupees between, and 9 mm is the 115 or 6 mm is the 105 rupees. And green ply and century ply also same similar price, little bit difference. To make wardrobes, the labor charges are 250 rupees per square foot. All the materials will be 850 per square foot. So the total price for making the wardrobes 1100 per square feet. So the price ranges totally between around 1100 rupees to 1500 rupees between per square foot. The price totally depends on the quality of materials, location and brands. So friends, if you like our videos, then please subscribe to our channel, like and share this video. Thank you for watching this video.